Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Clipchamp, a free online professional video editor from Microsoft. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Clipchamp online. You have to sign up for an account. You can also download the desktop app from here. There are many templates that you can use for free. To start a new project, click on Create a Video. You'll find many features that will help you make your video easily. That's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my next videos. See you soon.